First thing you need to do is remove the leaves on the outside of the lettuce. They're not very crisp, so we'll take those off first. Give it a good whack, and the core should just come right out. Now we'll cut into wedges, half, quarter, we're going to top our salad with some fried onions. I'm going to use the air fryer to crisp up some onions to use for the topping. It doesn't matter what type of onion you can use. You can use a white onion, a shallot, a red, or a yellow. I just happen to have one already cut open, so that's the one we're going to use. Now that the onion is chopped up, we're going to drizzle it with a little bit of olive oil and heat up the air fryer. We've sprayed the basket, added the onions. Air fryer is preheated. So now we're going to cook at 5-minute intervals, shake, 270 degrees. So the onions are done. It took about 25 minutes at 5-minute intervals to cook them. I have a miniature air fryer, so I could fit one onion in it. But if you had a larger air fryer, you could probably get 2 onions in it. But for my mini dash air fryer, it could only hold about 1. Lemon juice, buttermilk, spices, mayonnaise, sour cream, and then shake. Let's assemble the salad. A wedge salad continues to be a steakhouse favorite. The first printed version of this classic was in 1916. Iceberg lettuce was first developed in 1894. It got its name from the icy method of shipment on the transatlantic railroad. The iceberg lettuce remains popular today and still accounts for 70% of the lettuce raised in California. Despite its shortcomings, iceberg lettuce has always had its fans. It's cheaper, it lasts longer than other types of greens. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the playlist that I'm going to link above.